Gold. Winnie the Pooh, Volume 1. One drizzle day, Winnie the Pooh decided to stay inside and count his honey pots. One, two. Where is the other one? Third. I know I had 3 pots of honey yesterday. He said to himself. So I should have 3 pots of honey today. Pooh opened his cupboard and counted slowly. One, two, two. Pooh repeated two, scratching his head. Oh, brother, I seem to be missing number 3.
No, there's 0.
Yeah, it's 0 because there is no number 3. I wonder where it could be. Just then, Roo hopped through the door. Come and see the rainbow, Pooh, the little kangaroo called, hopping up and down.
This is Daddy and this is Ara. And this is you and this is me.
Okay, I am Winnie the Pooh. Pooh forgot all about his missing honey pot and followed his friend outside. There he found Owl and Tiger gazing up at the sky. Yeah. Owl said, "Did I ever tell you that what my uncle Midas said about rainbows?" He said, "There is a pot of gold at the end of every one." What's gold? Roo asked. Gold is something valuable, Roo. Owl explained. Something anyone would like to have a lot of. Like honey? Pooh said hopefully. Not exactly, Owl replied, puffing out his chest. Gold is a shiny yellowish. That sounds like honey, Pooh interrupted. Well, it's not, said Owl, becoming annoyed. I am sorry, Pooh, said Owl, for he remembered that Pooh, being a bear of very little brain, sometimes needed extra help understanding things. Let me explain it this way, he said. Gold is a precious metal. It's so precious that you can trade it for things you want. Like honey? Pooh could not help saying. I suppose, said Owl, trying to be patient. And so it was that Owl, Pooh, Tiger, and Roo went in the search of the pot at the end of. What is this?
Rainbow.
Yeah, rainbow. As the friends hurried through the forest, hoping that the rainbow would not disappear before they found the gold, they ran into Piglet. Hello, Piglet, said Pooh. We are searching for a pot of gold. Gold is shiny, Roo chimed in, and more precious than honey. Piglet was disappointed. Oh, he said, you probably won't want to share it then. Nonsense, said Pooh. The more the merrier, said Owl. For all we know, there is a huge pot of gold just waiting for all of us. As the friends hurried along, Piglet asked, Pooh, do you know where the end of the rainbow is? No, said Pooh. I was following you, but I was following Roo, said Piglet. Roo pointed at Tiger, but I was following him. The little kangaroo said, from up here, Owl called down to them. The rainbow looks like it ends at the Pooh Sticks Bridge. Suddenly, Piglet noticed something shiny here beneath a tree. Oh, he cried, I found the gold, I found the gold. Piglet's friends eagerly hurried over to the glittering object and gathered around. I'm sorry, Piglet, said Owl, but I'm afraid what we have here is not a pot of gold, but, well, a rock. This is not a gold, okay? Piglet thought it's a gold. Pooh saw that Piglet was embarrassed, but it's very nice rock. He said kindly, here, Piglet, you keep it. Thank you, Piglet said, taking the rock in his hand. The sunlight glinted off some shiny flecks all over its surface. Why? It is nice, Piglet said cheerfully. I think I will put it on my dresser. They continued on their way. After a while, Tiger felt a crunch beneath its feet. Oops, he said. I stepped on something. The others glanced at the ground. Ouch! Oh dear, said Piglet. You stepped on Robin's egg. Yes, but it's empty, Pooh announced happily. Look, here are more empty shells. The babies must have hatched and flown away with their mother. Look at what a bright blue these eggs are, said Tiger. They even have speckles on them, like someone splashed them with a paint. They are very pretty, are not they? Said Pooh, and he is laughing. Like, Arnik, is he happy or sad here? They are happy? Yeah. Yup. I'm going to take one home with me, said Tiger. That blue makes me feel all bouncy. But Roo was more interested in the nest, in the grass. May I keep it? He asked. Since the robins are finished with it, I don't see why not, said Owl. And so carefully carrying their new-found treasures, the friends continued their search
Robin.
for the pot of gold.
For Yellow Ribbon Robin.
I don't know, they must be home. And they approached Pooh Stick's bridge. Roo looked up and said, oh, the rainbows is disappearing. Hurry, everyone, Owl cried. Spread out and look for the pot of gold. There is no time to lose. Owl flew across the bridge and began searching on the other side. Tiger, Roo, and Piglet put down what they were carrying and scrambled the bank. Yeah, there is a pot. Good job, Anve. Pooh ran to the middle of the bridge and looked at the water below just in case the pot of gold had fallen in. After a moment, Pooh cried, Roo, do you see something by the bridge? It's pot! Roo called excitedly. Owl hurried over as Pooh ran across the bridge. Ouch! Then slid down the bank. When Pooh reached his friends, he saw disappointed. He said, hooray! Disappointed looks on at all their faces. Then he saw the pot. It was not full of gold, but full of honey. Oh, Pooh cried happily. It is number 3. Number 3, muttered Owl, frowning. Yes, Pooh continued. It's my missing honey pot. I was counting my honey pot this morning and I only had 2 pots in my cupboard. But what is it doing here? A grumpy owl asked. I left it here yesterday, Pooh explained. I must have forgotten it when I packed my picnic things. I know. We did not find the pot of gold, Piglet declared brightly, but we collected lot of treasures like this shiny rock. And some bright blue robin eggs, said Tiger, and wonderful nest, said Roo. And my missing honey pot, said Pooh. Owl grumbled. That may be well and good for you, but I did not find anything. At once, Pooh had an idea. He took honey pot number 3 and tipped it upside down until he had eaten every last bit of honey inside. Wait here, he said, hurrying into the woods. A short while later, he returned, his honey pot overflowing with red, blue, green, and yellow berries. Look at that. Pooh is so kind. And you may not have found a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, but now you have a very own rainbow in a pot of gold, said Pooh proudly. So I do, said Owl, admiring the beautiful rainbow colored berries in the golden colored pot before him. Wow, everyone has something now. As the merry group headed home, Owl cleared his throat. Did I ever tell you what my Uncle Midas said about good friends? He asked. No, what? Wondered Pooh. They are as good as gold, replied Owl. And Pooh... Yes, and Winnie the Pooh and his friends had to admit they were feeling very rich indeed. Ta-da!